How to activate AT&T Prepaid phone from Walmart. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is unbox your phone and insert the AT&T SIM card that came in the box. Some Walmart phones come with the SIM pre-installed and will prompt you to activate as soon as you power on. If you don't see any prompts, open up any web browser. Then head over to att.com/prepaid/activations. On the activation page, you want to tap on the continue option. Now you will have to enter the device info. If you want to enter ICC ID or SIM card number, select the first option. Then enter the ICC ID or SIM number. Enter the 20 digits over here. Next, you want to enter the IMEI number, then enter the service zip code. If you want to use your EID number, select the second option. Enter your EID number, then enter your IMEI number, and then enter your service zip code. Then tap continue. Now follow the on-screen steps to pick a prepaid plan. If your phone came bundled with a special offer or promo code, enter it when prompted. Next, create your AT&T prepaid account by providing your name, email address, and choosing a 4-digit PIN. Select a payment method, either pay with debit or credit card. Once payment goes through, you'll get a confirmation text. Your phone will finish provisioning on network and you can start making calls, texting, and browsing right away. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.